Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Gemini. So let us see what is coming up, guys, for your general energies and for your love energies, Gemini. Nine of Pentacles, the Sun, King of Swords. Gemini, with these cards, the energy is that, guys, you are really, enjoying your day. Maybe you are spending time with your person, or you are just feeling really happy and content how your day is proceeding, guys. Maybe certain choices that you have made, you have a sense of accomplishment on that. Maybe those were successful choices which gave you good results, so you are really happy about it. And maybe for some of you all, you are feeling really safe and secure in your life. This may concern your work atmosphere or in your relationship. So something in work, so some thing is moving towards a very positive stage, so it may bring that happiness. Or in this relationship with this person, you share that great bond, understanding, and you love each other, and you feel you have the power to decide in this situation. You have that authority, and you feel this connection is very stable and secure, guys. And you have that confidence and courage in your heart in this situation, in your life, in your work. So you are really happy for what it is, guys. Maybe for some of you all, if you are in a long distance relationship, you are going towards this person to spend time with them and have a great time together. Or you may be planning to go out with them, guys. Sorry, guys. You may be planning to go out with them, having some time together, maybe somewhere to the beach, park, or on a trip, something of that sort, guys. And you are having a great time. Things are going very positively. Maybe you are thinking of marriage with this person, or you are planning for your life together. You may be making some choices regarding that. You may be discussing certain things about that also. So that may also be the energy here, guys. So you may want to discuss your future with this person. What lays ahead, so what you want to do, what is the next plan of action. So that may also be happening today, guys. And you are feeling really fortunate and happy for how things are going on, and you feel really lucky to be in this relationship with this person. You are really happy, guys. So that is the energy with these cards. So let us see what is coming up with the other set of cards, guys. So what is the energy with the other set of cards? So far I see a very positive day for you all. You are having a good time today. That is the energy with these cards. Letter. Man. Okay. Gemini, with these cards, the energy is that, guys, maybe this is the time that you are healing yourself. So we saw with the previous cards a very happy kind of energy. So these cards denote some kind of healing that is going through within yourself. You are overcoming the past hurt and past grievances, whatever you had, losses in your past, or some kind of illness, and you are healing from that situation, guys, and you are on a positive way of life today. So that is what this card is denoting, guys. And with the other cards, the energy is that, guys, you are getting some important news or announcement or some kind of letters. Maybe if the this person is somewhere away from you, you're in a long distance relationship, just like I said, they want to talk to you. Maybe they are communicating through emails or letters or some postcards, greeting cards, something, guys. So they are sending some communication. So that is also the energy here. Or they may write poems for you. Say they may write some some love letters to you. That may also be the energy here. So they are sending some love messages to you, guys. If this person is far away from you, or just for the sake of fun, they may be sending you some greeting cards just to surprise you, to propose their love. That may also be the energy here. And this person is definitely open to a relationship, guys. They want this relationship with you, and they may be interested in long-term commitment. Maybe if you are single right now and if you are approaching somebody, this person may also wish to be in that relationship with you, so they may accept this relationship. So your proposal has great potential, I feel, guys. So they may accept. That is the energy here with these cards. So you are in a phase of healing, guys, healing from the past, whatever negative emotions you would have had in your past. So let us see what the angels are guiding us with today, guys. What is the angels' guidance? Faith. The angels' guidance with this card is that, guys, sometimes we may feel lost or we may feel alone, but it is not, we should not worry about that, guys. We should when that situation seems impossible, we must have that belief in ourselves, have faith in ourselves. When we do that, we will see great opportunities coming our way. We will have a glimpse of some new opportunities, some ray of hope that is there. And when we do that, we will understand that certain things are happening in our life for our higher good, guys. So certain situations where we do not have that control, when things seem impossible, we just have to have that faith and belief in ourselves and take the next step forward. So that is what the angels are guiding us with today, guys. So the need for trust and belief in our life. So that is the angels' guidance for today, Gemini. That is the reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Gemini.